If you were to ask a Singapore math teacher what our local students lack when it comes to learning math, I doubt it is going to be the lack of hard work or the lack of practice. I believe it is most likely going to be the lack of patience to actually understand the concepts well first before they put in the hard work to practice. For A-level H2 math, certain topics like functions, like vectors, they are very theory-centric. So for such topics, I would suggest students to withhold their practice, spend some good time to understand the concepts and to grasp the theoretical framework first before they allow themselves to practice. Because by doing so, most likely the practice will be way more effective, and hopefully this will also give us a higher chance of getting better grades in exams too.